I think Melbourne is now my favorite place. I love people gazing. So I want to sit somewhere and see what people are doing, what they're wearing. And I saw how lovely people are here, how warm they are, and how they interact with each other, and how they smile when they see each other. They're full of life. I love everything about Melbourne. So I have been practicing classical music since I was 7. Nowadays, I'm really very focused towards folk and devotional music. My grandfather, he introduced the folk music and devotional music to me. And then my father was very passionate. He's a music teacher. So he taught me also. He taught my brothers also. So we 3 siblings, we joined forces and we started practicing together. When I started to appear in different reality shows, that was like a challenge. I never thought I would go that far. I never thought that I'll become a musician, and that too a professional musician. And then I started my YouTube journey, and then after 1 year my Instagram journey and Facebook journey. So it was all over, the social media stuff started to happen. I sing in different and many languages. For my YouTube channel, all my social media things, I do it by myself.
Maithili, namaste.
I got the Cultural Ambassador of the Year award from our Prime Minister, Modi ji, and that was a big thing for me. I am trying to hold that award very proudly and confidently.